Where's Minnie? Torture me! Hurt me all you want! But please just tell me if she's alive!
You're gonna regret asking that, Mickey. Come with me. I have good news and bad news. What do you want to hear first, Mickey?
The good news?
The good news is Minnie's still alive.
And the bad news?
Take a look, Mickey.
What did you do to her?
Honey, are you there? I see you.
Wise choice. Da-da-da-da. Boo! Nighty-night. Say hi to your buddy. 360 boo! She down there? Hold on, watch this. Oh my god, should I go for it? Yes or no?
Got no key. Behind this door or not? Like, I don't know. Oh, at least the key. There we go.
Officer! Ah! Officer! Help! Ew, the way he's smiling! Oh, what did I do? 3, 2, 1. Ankles! Ha! 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 Yes, sir! I learned that from Corey. What's up? Come on. Oh my god! Go down the stairs! Faster! Oh my god. Officer! Ah! Officer! Help! Help! Ah!